Hi everyone, it's Trish and welcome to my channel, Trish's Healthy Appetite. Today I am bringing you my vegan English curry. This curry is typical of what you will find in an English pub. This is an easy curry to make and it is filled with peas and potatoes and is high in protein. As always, the recipe is down in the description. Let's go ahead and take a look at the ingredients. First you'll need red lentils, 4 cups of water, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, sea salt, onion powder, red pepper flakes, curry powder, better than bouillon, black pepper, minced garlic, nutritional yeast, frozen green peas, 3 medium to small sized yellow potatoes, and sweet potato or carrots. I usually use carrots. All right, let's do this. So there it is, my vegan English curry. Again, I didn't have any carrots on hand, so I used sweet potatoes instead. The sweetness that either of them bring really give the curry depth. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. My channel is new, so please subscribe so you can be the first to check out my new recipes. I upload new recipes 4 times a week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.